Here are some useful phrases in Urdu that you can use in a restaurant. Mujhe ek table chahiye, I would like a table. Mujhe ek sandwich chahiye, I would like a sandwich. Mujhe ek cold drink chahiye, I would like a cold drink. Mujhe ek coffee chahiye, I would like a coffee. Mujhe ek water chahiye, I would like a water. Mujhe ek fork chahiye, I would like a fork. Mujhe ek knife chahiye, I would like a knife. Mujhe ek spoon chahiye, I would like a spoon. Mujhe bill chahiye, I would like the bill. Mujhe change chahiye, I would like my change. Mujhe ek vegetarian dish chahiye, I would like a vegetarian dish. Mujhe ek non-vegetarian dish chahiye, I would like a non-vegetarian dish. Mujhe ek salad chahiye, I would like a salad. Mujhe ek soup chahiye, I would like a soup. Mujhe ek dessert chahiye, I would like a dessert. Mujhe ek bread basket chahiye, I would like a bread basket. Mujhe ek steak chahiye, I would like a steak. Mujhe ek chicken dish chahiye, I would like a chicken dish. Mujhe ek seafood dish chahiye, I would like a seafood dish. Mujhe ek masala dish chahiye, I would like a spicy dish. To thank the chef in Urdu, you can say, Chef Sahab, Khana Bohat Akathar, which means chef, the food was very good. Alternatively, you can also say, Chef Sahab, Khana Bohat Mazadathar, which means chef, the food was very delicious. If you want to express your gratitude more formally, you can say, Chef Sahab, main opka shukriya ada khana chata hun ke opni uman as mazada khana dia, which means chef, I want to express my gratitude to you for providing us with such delicious food. How to ask for the bill in Urdu. To ask for the bill in Urdu, you can say, Mujhe bill chahiye, which means I would like the bill. Alternatively, you can also say, Mujhe bill dine, which means give me the bill. If you want to be more formal, you can say, Bill chahiye, please, which means I would like the bill, please.